In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal routing number. Finding your routing number on PayPal is quite straightforward, especially once you know where to look. However, it's essential to start with the basics to ensure you have everything set up correctly before diving into the details. The first thing you'll want to do is to navigate to the PayPal homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the PayPal URL or simply searching for PayPal on a search engine. Once you're on the homepage, it's crucial to ensure your account is set up correctly. This means linking your card or bank account to your PayPal account if you haven't already. Linking your financial account not only keeps everything seamlessly connected, but also ensures that you have access to all the features PayPal offers, including viewing your routing number. Next, click on the Wallet section, which you can find easily on the top navigation bar. The Wallet is where PayPal centralizes your payment methods, and it's incredibly intuitive to use. From there, you'll want to click on Link a Card or Bank Account. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. It's a simple process that PayPal guides you through step by step. You'll have the choice between linking a credit card or a bank account. Select whichever option suits your needs best. After linking your desired method, it's time to set up direct deposit. This step is pivotal as having direct deposit set up enables you to view the necessary routing and account numbers. Normally, direct deposit setup is available for PayPal balance accounts and might not be available for business accounts, so just remember to check the account type if you encounter any issues. Once direct deposit is set up, look for the option labeled Setup or View Direct Deposit. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this will reveal your PayPal account number as well as the routing number, which is what we're after in this guide. Make sure you click on the View Details option under Direct Deposit. This is where all the critical information is stashed. When your details are displayed, you'll see both the routing number and your newly associated account number. Be sure to note down the routing number as it will be displayed in the same section. It's as simple as that. Just follow these steps and you'll have your routing number in no time, enabling you to manage your direct deposits with ease and confidence. And that's it. You've just learned how to find your PayPal routing number. With these steps, managing your finances and setting up your PayPal account should be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.